Today I'm going to show you how to install Git in Windows. In Google, you can simply type Git. Then you have to come on this website, git/scm.com. Click on this. And once you come here, you have an option, install for Windows. Click on this. And it will take you to this page. You can just click here to download. The download will start. You can see here, it will download the exe file. And once it is downloaded, then you just have to double click on this. It is downloading. Let's finish it. So it has been downloaded. Now I will just double click on this. The installation should start now. You have to click on this yes. Click on next. Click on next. And here you can also click on this additional icon so that you can see the icon on desktop. Then click next. Click next. And here you have several options. So if you have VS Code, you can just select this use Visual Studio Code as Git's default editor. Or otherwise, if you don't have it, then just simply keep the default as it is. Then click next. Again, click next. And here also you can just click next. Click next. Next. Then next. 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 You just have to click next and now click on install. This will do the installation. Let's wait for a few seconds. Now the installation is getting finished. Let's still wait. It is finished. You can just uncheck it, click on this finish, and in the search you can just search Git. You will see this app Git Bash. Click on this. It will open. And then you can start your Git operation. Let's say Git version, you can check here. So this is the version Git 2.54.0 Windows 1. This is how you can install Git in your Windows machine. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.